Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible transformation seemingly ordinary soldering iron into an astonishingly versatile tool. I'm starting with a standard soldering iron. My goal is to repurpose its internal components, so I need to carefully disassemble it. I'll begin by detaching the power cord, as we won't be needing the original power supply for this project. Next, I'm removing the metal tip and the outer shaft from the main body. Then, using a pair of pliers, I gently pull out the entire internal heating element assembly from the yellow handle. This clears the central channel, which will be crucial for our modifications. With the heating element removed, I also extract the small screw from the tip of the metal shaft. We're essentially gutting the soldering iron, so all these original internal pieces are carefully set aside for now. Now, I'm taking a brass valve from an old inner tube. I'm using scissors to cut around the valve, because this valve will serve as the base for our new head. Then, I disassemble the valve stem, removing the core and all the small internal components, including the rubber gasket and retaining nut, ensuring I have the hollow brass tube. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. To ensure the valve is securely fixed inside the metal shaft, I'm wrapping a piece of white paper towel around the valve. I'm threading a valve stem with a paper towel attached to this metal shaft to ensure proper insulation when needed. To secure this newly assembled brass tip, I'm applying super glue around the insulator. This will ensure that all the components stay firmly in place and maintain their intended structure during use. I make sure it's fully bonded before moving on. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now, I'm preparing a red wire. I'm threading the wire through the soldering iron tip and the tire valve. Then I'm threading the red wire through the inside of the soldering iron tip and the yellow soldering iron casing. I'm stripping the outer insulation from the wire. The exposed copper strands will be our electrical contacts. I'm twisting the copper strands tightly for a good connection. To connect the red wire to our power source, I'm stripping the other end of the wire and attaching an alligator clip. This clip will provide a secure and easy connection to our battery. This connection ensures current flows directly to our specialized tip. Now for the core of our new tool. I'm taking a small red AA battery and carefully peeling off its outer casing. My goal is to extract the carbon rod from inside. I use a pair of pliers to gently remove the top cap, exposing the internal structure. I then use pliers to extract this carbon rod. After removal, I give the carbon rod a quick clean with the tissue to remove any residual battery material. This carbon rod will become the actual hot tip of our device. To get our carbon rod ready, I'm inserting it into my electric drill. This allows me to precisely shape it. Using a grinding disc, I carefully sharpen one end of the carbon rod into a fine pointed tip. This sharp point is essential for concentrating heat and making precise contact during use. Finally, I attach this newly sharpened carbon rod to the brass tip assembly of our modified soldering iron. The carbon rod fits snugly into the hollow center, becoming the functional part of our new high-heat tool. To complete the circuit, I'm preparing a second set of connections. I take a blue electrical wire. Then, I attach an alligator clip to each end. These will serve as our negative lead, connecting to the battery and the item we're working on. I make sure all connections are secure for proper current flow. For power, I'm using a small motorcycle battery. I connect the red alligator clip to the positive terminal and the black alligator clip to the negative terminal. This completes the power circuit for our modified tool. Watch closely as I bring the carbon tip into contact with the cathode alligator clip. See how it instantly heats up and leaves a burnt mark? This shows the concentrated heat generated at the tip, ready for action. To demonstrate its versatility, I'm placing a small AA battery onto a wooden clothespin. Next, I cut a small strip of metal and attached it to an AA battery. Now, with my newly made soldering iron, I can easily solder the metal strip to the AA battery, demonstrating its strength and precision. The concentrated heat makes quick work of these materials, proving its effectiveness as a spot welder. Next, I have a metal cup with a broken handle. I'm using our homemade soldering iron, meticulously soldering the handle back onto the cup to create a sturdy handle. Look at that clean, strong weld. This incredible multifunctional tool, made from just a few repurposed items, proves that with a little creativity and ingenuity, you can achieve truly amazing things. If you enjoyed this project and found it inspiring, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below telling me what other unexpected tools you'd like to see me create. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.